Well, hello there, good old friend of mine. You've been reaching for yourself for such a long, long time. There's so much to say, no need to explain. Just an open door for you to come in from the rain. It's a long road when you're all alone, and a man like you will always choose the long way home. There's no right or wrong, I'm not here to blame. I just wanna be the one to keep you from the rain, from the rain. And it looks like sunny skies. Now that I know you're alright, time has left us older and wiser. I know I am. And I think of us like an odd cliche, but it doesn't matter, 'cause I love you anyway. Come in from the rain. And it looks like sunny skies. Now that I know you're alright, time has left us older but wiser. I know I am. And it's good to know my best friend has come home again, 'cause I think of us like an odd cliche, but it doesn't matter, 'cause I love you